welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare one of the famous chai, Irani Chai. Come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are 250 ml milk, cardamom, sugar, and tea powder. Instead of copper coated vessel, here I am taking a aluminium vessel. Add 250 ml of water into the vessel. Add 5 teaspoons of tea powder into the water. Once water getting to boil, add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Close the edges with the help of the dough. Once it's done, now cover with lid and press it tightly. Boil this for 10 minutes. In the meantime, add 250 ml of milk into the pan. Now add ilachi powder into it. Boil the milk until it reduces to half, and here I am taking 250 ml of milk and 250 ml of water. These two need to reduce to the half of the quantity, and we get this tea for 2 people. Now open the lid with the help of the knife. Here the tea decoction was ready. Now milk also done. Switch off the flame. Take a cup. Now add decoction. Then add boiled milk. In this way, we need to prepare the Irani Chai. That's all. The famous Irani Chai was ready.